The Bafana's hopes of sealing early qualification for the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations were dented on Tuesday as they were held to a 1-1 draw by Congo in Brazzaville. Despite the result, Hugo Bross's men remain well positioned to qualify, trailing Uganda, who secured their place in Morocco with a 2-1 victory over South Sudan earlier in the day. The match was a stark contrast to last week's encounter in Gqeberha, where Bafana comfortably dispatched Congo with a 5-0 win. This time, the contest was far more evenly matched, with both sides treating in the opening stages. South Africa broke the deadlock in the 33rd minute when Elias Mokoena showcased his persistence after his initial attempt was saved by Congolese goalkeeper Trey Vermeulen. Mokoena pounced on the rebound to slot the ball into an empty net, giving the visitors the lead. Congo thought they had equalized just before halftime when Mons found the back of the net, but his effort was ruled out for offside. The television replays later suggested that the home side may have been hard done by the decision, adding to the frustration of the local fans. The second half saw a setback for South Africa as Themba Zwane, one of their key creative outlets, was forced off due to what appeared to be an Achilles injury. Without Zwane's influence, Bafana struggled to find their rhythm and Congo began to take control. Congo nearly drew level in the 51 minute when Brian passes header from a corner smashed against the crossbar. Just minutes later, South Africa were fortunate again when Rushwin Dudley appeared to handle the ball inside the box, but the referee waved a play on, further incensing the home crowd. As the game wore on, South Africa's defense looked increasingly vulnerable. Silva Gonvola had a golden opportunity to put Congo ahead when he burst past Dudley, but his shot missed the target with only goalkeeper Ronwen Williams to beat. In the end, neither side could find the decisive goal and the match ended in a draw. While the result leaves Bafana with work to do, they remain in contention to secure qualification in the remaining 2 matches of the campaign. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.